Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna do an unboxing of some Oakley sunglasses. So these are the Oakley Batwolfs. I got these on eBay and I just arrived today, so let's check it out. Check out the box real quick. I got the, let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, here we go. Batwolf polished clear with ice iridium. Oakley high definition optics. So let's open it up, see what we got. And here we go. Oh wow, it's a pretty snazzy looking case. Let's check it out. Oakley says Oakley presents Batwolf. So it's just a wolf's head in a bat's body. Let's check out the glasses. Nice. So a little bit of plastic there. So here they are. Has a ice iridium lens. Nice looking pretty sweet. Has a polished clear frame. There you go. Let's see where it says. I think it says Batwolf here. I don't know if you can see it, but the cool thing about these glasses are the icons. These ones are interchangeable, and these glasses came with an extra pair of chrome icons. So, and I'm planning on buying more, so I can get to customize my glasses. Pretty cool. So check what else is in the box. Some paperwork. 1-year warranty and all. Whatever. But you guys are watching these for the glasses themselves, and they look really nice. These are my first pair of Oakleys, and I'm really excited to try them out to the beach stuff. So yeah, this is my unboxing of the Oakley Batwolfs, polished clear frame with ice iridium lens. Thanks for watching.